Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to show Apple ID password on iPhone. Now if you have an iPhone that's running iOS 18, then you will have a dedicated passwords app on your iPhone. But I'm running a lower version of iOS, so I will find passwords in settings. So after going to settings, I will scroll down and then here is the passwords section. Now in the password sections, there will be lots of passwords from lots of other websites. However, I'm going to search for Apple right over here on the search bar. So as you can see, I have two of my account passwords saved to apple.com. Now if I select which password I want to reveal, I can just tap on it and then I will be able to see the password right over here. Now you can also click on the password and you can click on copy password and the password will be copied. However, if you don't have your password saved in this passwords section, then you can check your Google account that you have saved your password in your Google account or not. Now to do that, let's head to our Safari. So I'm going to open Safari now. And in Safari, make sure you're going to google.com. So as you can see, I'm in google.com. And now after you're in google.com, make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm currently logged into my account and you can see my profile right over here. So I'm going to tap on my profile. And from here, I'm going to click on manage your account. Now from the top bar, you have to find security tab. So this is the security tab. I'm going to press on the security tab. After you're in the security section, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the password manager. And in the password manager, click on manage passwords. And here you will be able to see all the passwords where you have accessed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on search right over here and then search for Apple. So I'm going to click right over here and go to my Apple passwords. So as you can see, here's my username and password. If I click on the eye icon right over here, my password will be visible. And if I click on the copy icon right over here, then my password will be copied to clipboard. So guys, that is how you can show your Apple ID password using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.